My name is Ferrell. Been with ESP for 3 months. Well, I take generators out of jobs to power up buildings. I set up 8 mobile AC and heating units for places without power. When we do storms, it's a whole team. Florida last year, I worked with ESP before I was hired on. Just the buildings were in bad shape. Sand done pushed through the storm doors and filled the rooms up with all kind of stuff, and a lot going on, a lot of workers in and out, anywhere from 50 to 100 people on site every day. And we had 3 generators on one side and then a big generator on the other side, powering the other buildings. So I went through Katrina, Mississippi, back in 2005. It was rough. I mean, I was still a kid. I was probably 7 or 8 years old. I know the first thing my dad did, he was out there cutting the trees out the road and trying to get us to another spot because we had no power or nothing like that, and you couldn't go down the road with the car or nothing. So it was pretty devastating. We lived without power for probably about 3 weeks. It made me tougher and see things differently. After mobilizing back to my actual house and seeing all the damage everywhere else, it was kind of heartbreaking to see all the houses and stuff that was just gone. I enjoy helping people. I enjoy, having a good impact on people's lives that just lost everything, and just being able to sit down, give them a bottle of water, and because I know how it is. It's rough. So we don't always see eye to eye all the time. So it's nice to see everybody come together when there's a natural disaster. I got stationed out in Texas as soon as I was hired on. I mean, just from working with them in Florida, everybody seems to have the same mindset as to what we're trying to do here, doing God's work.